Picture yourself in a movie theater, giant screen, booming sound, and a bucket of popcorn in your lap. But have you ever wondered where that popcorn comes from? It's not just a snack, it's the end of a long journey that starts in a sun-baked field. That kernel was once a seed, planted and nurtured by hard-working farmers. Before it pops, it must survive storms, heat, and months of care. Farmers rise before dawn, working machines and soil to grow the perfect crop. We're about to follow that kernel's journey, from dirt to delicious. It's a story of ingenuity, industry, and the people behind your snack. We'll see the machines, the planning, and the science that make popcorn possible. So next time you hear that pop, 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 remember, it's more than just a treat. It's the result of sweat, soil, and a lot of teamwork. Let's dig in and discover how your popcorn gets from the field to your movie seat. This is about more than corn. It's about how we feed millions. The folks who drive tractors and run factory lines are the unsung heroes of snack time. Every bite connects you to a world of hard work and innovation. So grab your popcorn, or wait until the end, and let's get started. The story behind your snack is just beginning. It all starts with the soil. Farmers don't just toss seeds and hope. Tractors with plows and tillers break up the earth, making it soft for roots to grow deep. Think of it as making a comfy bed for seeds. Once the field is ready, a planter machine drops seeds in perfect rows at just the right depth and distance. Too close and the plants compete. Too far and space is wasted. Precision is everything. Now, the waiting game begins, but the farmer's work isn't done. Corn needs sunlight and water, sometimes with help from giant sprinklers or drip irrigation. Fertilizer gives the plants a nutrient boost like a vitamin shot. For months, farmers battle weeds, bugs, and disease to protect the crop. Corn stalks shoot up, sometimes taller than a person, leaves rustling in the wind. Ears of corn form, and inside, kernels grow, slowly hardening, soaking up sun and water. This isn't just any corn, it's a special variety for popping. Every step is about giving those kernels the best chance to become your favorite snack. The process is a blend of science, timing, and hands-on care. Farmers monitor fields daily, adjusting for weather and threats. The goal-perfect poppable kernels. It's a season-long commitment, all for that satisfying crunch. The journey from seed to stalk is tough, but essential. By harvest time, the field is a sea of green, ready for the next big step. All that work sets the stage for the popcorn you love. From soil to stalk, it's a story of patience and precision. And now, it's time to harvest. After months of care, the corn is ready, stalks brown, kernels hard. Enter the combine harvester, a massive machine that does the work of 100 people. It rolls through the field, snapping off ears and chopping up stalks to enrich the soil. Inside, a thresher shakes kernels off the cobs, collecting them in a holding tank. When the tank's full, a tractor with a grain cart pulls alongside. The combine's auger swings out, pouring kernels into the cart. No stopping required. It's a perfectly timed dance of machines moving non-stop to clear the field. The empty cobs and stalks return to the earth, feeding next year's crop. Efficiency is key. Every minute counts at harvest. The teamwork between machines and operators keeps the process smooth. In just hours, acres of corn are transformed into mountains of kernels. The harvest is a race against time and weather. Every kernel collected is one step closer to your popcorn bucket. The field empties, but the journey is far from over. Next stop, the factory. The story continues on the road. Grain carts unload kernels into waiting semi-trucks at the field's edge. These trucks haul tons of popcorn corn to processing plants, sometimes across state lines. Not all corn is the same. This is popping corn with a tough shell and starchy center. At the factory, trucks are weighed, then lifted to dump kernels into a giant pit. Conveyor belts whisk the corn into towering silos for storage. Inside, temperature and moisture are carefully controlled to keep kernels perfect. The factory is a hub of activity, moving corn from farm to processing. Every load is tracked and monitored for quality. The silos hold millions of pounds, ready for cleaning and sorting. It's a massive operation, all designed for efficiency and freshness. The journey from field to factory is fast and precise. Soon, those kernels will be transformed into the snack you crave. But first, they need to be cleaned. Fresh from the farm, the kernels are mixed with bits of cob, stalk, and even stones. The first stop, a pre-cleaner with vibrating screens and fans to sift out debris. Good kernels fall through, big pieces and dust are blown away. Next, a gravity table separates dense, high-quality kernels from lighter, damaged ones. Only the best make it to the next stage. For ultimate quality, kernels pass through an optical sorter. High-speed cameras scan each kernel, and a puff of air knocks out any that don't measure up. It's high-tech quality control, ensuring only perfect popcorn makes the cut. Every step removes impurities, guaranteeing a clean, safe snack. The process is fast, efficient, and incredibly precise. Technology and tradition work together for top-notch popcorn. By the end, only the best kernels remain. These are ready for the real magic, popping. Clean, sorted, and perfect, just waiting to explode. Next, it's time to pop. The cleaned kernels head to the popping room. No microwave bags here. Giant industrial poppers use hot air to blast thousands of kernels at once. Each kernel has a drop of water inside. Heat turns it to steam, building pressure until pop. The starch inside expands, creating fluffy popcorn in a split second. Popped corn is blown out of the chamber, while unpopped old maids stay behind. Conveyor belts carry the fresh popcorn onward, filling the air with an irresistible smell. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled for maximum pop and minimal waste. Workers monitor machines to keep every batch perfect, the goal big, fluffy popcorn every time. Science and skill combine to create millions of pounds of popcorn each year. It's a spectacle of sound, smell, and taste. The transformation from hard kernel to fluffy snack is pure magic. But popcorn isn't finished yet, it needs flavor. Plain popcorn is good, but flavor makes it irresistible. On the conveyor, popcorn passes through oil sprayers, usually buttery flavored, to help seasoning stick. Next, it tumbles in a giant drum as salt or other flavors are added for even coating. For caramel corn, hot caramel is mixed in kettles, then cooled to form a crunchy shell. Quality control is constant. Workers taste and check for perfect flavor and texture. Consistency is key. Every bag should taste the same. From cheddar to spicy, each batch is carefully crafted. The process is fast, but attention to detail is everything. Every bite should deliver the same delicious experience. The popcorn is now ready for packaging. Flavor is what makes each handful memorable. The journey from bland to bold happens in minutes. Next, it's time to bag it up. Flavored popcorn travels by conveyor to the packaging room. Machines weigh exact portions, form bags from printed film, and fill them with popcorn. Air or nitrogen is added to keep popcorn fresh and uncrushed. Bags are heat-sealed, cut, and inspected for quality. Finished bags drop onto another conveyor, then into boxes by hand or robot. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and stacked on pallets. Pallets are wrapped for protection and moved to the warehouse. The process is fast, dozens of bags per minute. Every step is about freshness and consistency. The warehouse holds pallets ready for shipping nationwide. From packaging to pallet, it's a race to keep popcorn perfect. Soon, it will be on its way to stores and theaters. The journey is almost complete. Next stop, your hands. In the warehouse, forklifts load pallets onto trucks bound for stores and theaters. Distribution centers break down shipments for local delivery. At the supermarket, bags are stocked on shelves waiting for you. At the theater, giant bags of kernels are popped fresh all day. When you order popcorn, you're witnessing the final step of a long journey. Every bite connects you to farmers, machines, and workers across the country. That snack in your lap started as a seed in the dirt. It's the result of hard work, technology, and a little bit of magic. So next time you dig in, remember the story behind every kernel. Popcorn, from field to film, it's an amazing journey.